Hello. Today I will show you how to create an atmospheric drawing of a lonely tree using charcoal pencil. This is a perfect practice for those who want to convey emotion and depth in their works. Let's get started. I start with a light sketch of the tree. I use a hard charcoal pencil to create the basic contours of the trunk and branches. At this stage, you don't need to press too hard. The lines should be light and smooth. I define the basic shape of the trunk, the slope of the tree, and the general direction of the branches. It is important to make them a little chaotic to give the tree a natural look. The branches branch out in thin lines, gradually becoming thinner towards the tips. Now I move on to the background. I use a soft charcoal pencil and shade it to create the effect of a dark cloudy sky. I add depth to the top of the leaf, where the cloud will be. Then I take a feather duster or a piece of tissue and gently rub the charcoal to create a smooth gradient. I shape the clouds with an eraser knife. With light movements, I erase individual areas, creating the effect of diffused light. It is important to leave some light areas so that the drawing looks airy. Next, we move on to the foreground. Here the main thing is to convey the shape of the sand dunes. I use wide curved lines that repeat the natural waves of the sand. I add shadows with soft charcoal, carefully shading to convey a smooth transition between elevations and depressions. Deeper shadows help create a sense of space and volume. To add drama, I strengthen the shadows under the tree and in the folds of the landscape. Due to this, the tree seems to grow from the darkness, creating an even stronger effect of loneliness. In the background, I add light outlines of hills and distant shadows to add perspective. It is important not to overload this area with details. It should only support the overall composition. To make the tree harmoniously fit into the environment, I add small shadows near its base, making the transition between the trunk and the ground more natural. That's it. Our lonely tree in the desert landscape is ready. If you like the process, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.